I chose foot and ankle over anything else just because it's a little bit of everything. So my name's Thomas Bemenderfer. I'm a board certified foot and ankle orthopedic surgeon for South Bend Orthopedics. I'm able to help people from all walks of life and all different stages of development and all different types of goals and activities, to just simply being able to walk pain-free, to being able to play for the University of Notre Dame under the Golden Dome. Being from this area, it's impossible to be anything other than a University of Notre Dame football fan. And I was specifically recruited to this area for being a team physician and a consultant for foot and ankle for the University of Notre Dame football team. I've been fortunate to have several athletes come and go into the NFL after treating ankle fractures or deformities that they had throughout the course of their career. And on a week-to-week basis, we see players scoring touchdowns, players moving 500 pounds across the line. We've had a very high success of getting our athletes back on the field and back to the sport. The core foundation of South Bend Orthopedics has been providing excellent care to this community based upon our excellent treatment and care with the University of Notre Dame athletics and the community. I think the most important thing that I try and convey to my patients is that you have to build trust and confidence in the person that you're working with. It's important because you want to make sure that you're not guessing, and we want to make sure that we're not making people different, but making people better. I think it's very healthy to be hesitant to have ankle replacement because it needs to be done by the right surgeon with the right training. And it is something that comes with risk. And if you're having the surgery with the right person and having the right surgery done for you, your likelihood for success is very good.